Welcome to our channel once again, my friends. Real Nice Guyana, home of all the traditional Guyanese recipes. Today we're going to be doing a recipe for mango chutney. So we have mango sour already, and today we're going to be making the mango chutney recipe. So mango chutney it differs to the mango sour recipe in the sense that this mango is grated for this recipe, as opposed to the sour, which is boiled with the spices. So we're gonna be making this mango chutney today. So let's get started, guys. Alright, so let's get started with the mango. We have to get our mango ready. So we're gonna peel our mango first. So the pepper is pepper to taste, guys. So chutney tastes a lot better with pepper. So there are two things that you specifically have mango chutney with, and that is coconut rice or shine rice and khichdi. So those two things are especially what mango chutney is for. Now you can also have your palauri and bara and so on with this as well. So we're gonna get our garlic and pepper ready. We're gonna pound them in a mortar as usual. Lots of pepper there, guys. You think you can handle this pepper? Very. So it's time to grate our mango now, guys, and we are grating it on this side, as you can see. Not the finest side, but this side that shreds it, that kind of shreds it. So that's what it looks like. So we're gonna grate out our two mangoes, guys, and we'll continue. So we have finished grating our mango, my friends, and this is what it looks like. A bit shredded, like we grated on one of the bigger sides of the grater. So that's what it is. So we're gonna continue with our chutney now. So we're gonna add salt to taste. And now we're gonna add our ground garlic and pepper. You're gonna give that a good mix. So you're gonna add your salt, guys, taste and adjust. And as I said, with the pepper, you really don't have to add any pepper at all if you're not accustomed to hot peppers. You can just add the garlic and the salt to this. But the pepper gives it a little kick, you know. If you can handle the pepper, add some. So we have finished mixing our mango chutney, my friends, and let me show you what we have with this. So there's our chutney, and look what we have with it. A big pot of khichdi. See that? Good food today. So that's it for our mango chutney recipe, guys. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also, and as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.